There is a silence that hits a man's life without warning. One day she's excited to talk to you. She laughs at your texts. She sends voice notes. She calls late at night just to talk about nothing. And then suddenly, nothing. No good morning. No random messages. Replies become cold, short, delayed. Hours feel like days, and your mind starts spiraling. Did I mess up? Did she lose interest? Is she testing me? Is there someone else? That confusion is heavy, and in that moment, most men make the biggest mistake of their lives. They panic. They double text. They call again. They send long emotional paragraphs. They try to explain, fix, convince, beg. And do you know what happens next? She pulls away even further. Because here is the truth most men never learn. The moment a woman distances herself, your reaction decides everything. Whether she comes back or disappears forever. Women rarely pull away for no reason. Something is always happening beneath the surface. Sometimes she is testing emotional strength. When a woman starts feeling something real, she often pulls back slightly to see if this man is emotionally strong or if he will collapse the moment she steps away. Women are attracted to stability, not desperation. Sometimes you became too available. When a man becomes predictable and centered around her attention, mystery disappears, challenge disappears, excitement fades. Pulling away becomes a subconscious way of asking, do you value yourself or do you only value me? Sometimes she is processing emotions. Women feel deeply. Stress, hurt, overthinking, life pressure. Sometimes distance isn't rejection, it's emotional processing. But when a man refuses to give space, she reads it as selfish and needy. And yes, sometimes she is comparing options, deciding if you're truly the one. And how you react to distance will either raise your value or destroy it. Often distance is silent communication asking, are you a man who needs constant attention or a man who stays grounded without it? When men don't understand this, they chase validation. They think if I explain more, she'll understand. If I show how much I care, she'll come back. If I push harder, she'll stay. But attraction does not grow from pressure. Women don't fall in love with words. They fall in love with how you make them feel. And nothing kills attraction faster than desperation. When you chase, she sees insecurity, neediness, emotional weakness. And once respect drops, attraction dies. Now here is the part that will shock you. When she distances herself and ignores you, the one thing you must do is nothing. No chasing, no begging, no emotional paragraphs, no desperate calls. Just calm, confident silence, not from ego, not from anger, from self-respect. Silence communicates things words never can. It tells her you are emotionally controlled, you respect her space, your happiness doesn't depend on her mood, you are not afraid to lose her. And here's the twist. When a woman realizes you're calm while she's distant, her mind starts racing. Why isn't he chasing? Does he have options? Did I underestimate him? Curiosity replaces certainty, and curiosity reignites attraction. Imagine two versions of the same man. One keeps texting, calling, begging. She feels pressure and distance grows. The other steps back, focuses on life, stays calm, says nothing. She feels curiosity and attraction grows. Same situation, different reaction, completely different outcome. When you stop chasing, only two outcomes exist. She comes back, curiosity grows, respect returns, and she reaches out saying, "Hey stranger, why did you disappear?" She expected you to chase. When you didn't, your value rose. Or she leaves forever. And if she does, then she was never truly yours. But you keep your dignity, your confidence, your self-respect. Either way, you win. Women don't fall for men who panic in silence. They fall for men who remain unshaken. Strength, calmness, emotional control, that is magnetic. So next time she ignores you, don't chase, don't beg, don't explain endlessly. Just do the one thing most men are too afraid to do. Stay calm, stay silent, stay strong. Because the moment you stop chasing is the moment you start attracting.